Okay, what we doing? Oh. Chiropractor. Bam! Oh, to the woods, chiropractor. Whiplash like crazy, chiropractor. Hey, bruh. Hold up. Boom! Oh! Chiropractor. Nah, she didn't hit the... Oh! Yeah, definitely a chiropractor. Hold on. Oh, was that a hit? Yo, you gotta be insane to do this, but I kind of want to do this. Bam! Chiropractor. Okay, I don't want to do this. Bam! Hold up. Boom! Whoa! Chiropractor. Hold up. Boom! Ooh, you need chiropractor. Chiropractor. All three of y'all. All right, what are we doing? Come on. Oh no, is that on your head? Chiropractor. Bam! Chiropractor. Hold up, get out the way, cuz. Okay, he good. You got saved, my boy. Little whiplash, but she ain't, bam, missed that box. Chiropractor. Boom. No. Boom, there you go. Chiropractor.